So today we're going to do a 10-minute stretching video. So first off, grabbing a mat or sitting somewhere comfortable so you could get ready to stretch, so you could pause the video, and when you're ready, click start. So first we're going to cross our legs and then lay down, and then we'll count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We really just want to lay our head down, and now we'll get up and we'll cross our other legs on top. And now we'll just lay down for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we'll just kind of lay our head down heavy, relax it, rest it on the floor, and now we'll come back up. Okay, so now we'll get into butterfly, and you can press your hands down on the side of your legs if it helps. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we'll roll our shoulders back a few times. Loosen up our shoulders. Roll it back for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Okay, so now we'll grab our left arm, but in this way it looks like the right. And we're just going to hold on to and press it down. I'll turn around so you can kind of see how to do it. I'll hold on to it like this for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time to switch arms. So we'll do it again on the other side. And I'll turn around for you guys to see. But we'll do the right arm this time. So hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Okay, so now we're going to get back into our crisscross legs and we're going to reach forward and do the same thing we did earlier, and we'll hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we'll switch legs and do it again for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And just slowly come up, arching your spine, just very slow. Okay, so now we'll open our legs wide and just reach as comfortably as you can where you feel the stretch. And we'll hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And switch over to your left side. We'll do it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we'll go down the middle and just reach forward. We'll hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we'll come up and we'll do the same thing again. We're just going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to reach even further if you can, and go as comfortably as you can. Go where you still feel the stretch, but I don't want you to overstretch and injure yourself. So go at a reasonable depth to really feel it, and try to push further than you did the first time. So we'll hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and now we'll do the other side. And on this side, I'm actually not as flexible on my left side as I am on my right side today, at least. And so really just go to the pace your body comfortably tells you to go, where you still feel the stretch, but you're not overdoing it. So we'll hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and now we'll go down the middle again and try to stretch further than you did the first time without overextending yourself. Really, just if you can, let your head rest and hang. We'll hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so put your arm across your body and we're going to hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switching sides. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now we're going to lightly pull on our head to the side so you feel the stretch there along your neck. And just lightly, gently put your arm weight on your on your head. And hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll do the other side. And really, it's not as much of a pull as more as like your hand is gently resting on your head so you could feel the stretch. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Okay, so now we are going to get into a neutral spine position. We'll do some cat-cows, but first I just want to start off with rocking our hips side to side to kind of warm up and loosen our spine. So now I'll do it from the front so you could kind of see what I mean. You just slowly rock your hips from side to side. We'll do that a couple times, warm up the spine, make it feel good. And then when we're ready, we'll start doing cat and cows. And so now we'll arch our back into cow. You want to look forward. We'll hold it for 3, 2, 1. And now we'll go into cat. And we'll arch it this way. Put your head down for 3, 2, 1. And we'll go again to cow. We'll do this about 5 times. So that was 1, 3, 2, 1. Okay, back into cat for 3, 2, 1. That's 2. Cow for 3, 2, 1. Cat for 3, 2, 1. That's 3. Cow for 3, 2, 1. Cat for 3, 2, 1. Cow for 3, 2, 1. And now cat for 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's 5 of them. Okay, so now we're going to go into child's pose. So I want you to spread your legs further apart and lean down like this. I'm actually going to keep them apart and lean and really just rest your head onto the mat. Kind of let it go, let it hang heavy, and just hold it for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, and now I'm actually going to show you what it looks like from the front so you know as well. And so this is what it looks like from the front. So if you haven't done child's pose before, this is how it looks. And you just hang right there for a bit. Okay, and now we're nearly done, so we're going to do one more thing, and we're just going to swing our arms from front and back. You see here I'm clapping because they're that flexible, but please don't go that far if your body's not comfortable with it. Go as far as it feels like it's stretching and comfortable. Just do this a couple times. That concludes our 10 minutes of stretching, and just really do this for today to relax and loosen your bodies. Bye-bye!